Okay, so we're gonna go upstairs and see what's left to do. Because there's a crew coming tomorrow to help me, and a lot of this stuff has to get downstairs. So there's all these boxes and books and shelves and chests and stuff. Some things go to the dumpster. There's bags of trash. There's old boxes, chairs. This is the last drawer cabinet that I have to go through, and I will be so glad. Okay, in here, sorry, it's a little dark, but these are, let's see if I get some light. Okay, these are cabinets that had some more books. And that room, okay, guess we'll go in there anyway. There's more stuff. If you remember this room, full of books, empty the shelves. Now here's all this stuff. Some is trash, some's going downstairs, some is gonna go for the yard sale. Oh, that's a really pretty desk. Keeping it. Living room. There's this other room. There's a desk in here. There's stuff in here. And stuff in here. And paintings. And boxes of books. And this, that, and the other. So, the windows are beautiful. The woodwork is beautiful. Okay, so, this was a little tour for today. This is the last little bit of stuff. I think you remember the boxes from before, all the other stuff, how it was all packed in here. And we got this room under control, sort of. The painters are having to come. There's going to be a bed in here and a chest, and this chest is really nice. I looked on the back and it has a production date of 1960, but it's real nice. Some of the chests, some of the drawers seem to be cedar, and it's ultimately always a work in progress. Got these cabinets up here emptied. Got the shelves, closets emptied. Another closet. Ooh, can't see in there. Is there a light in there? Okay, there's no light in there. So, ooh, gonna have to work on that. So, this closet, door. Okay, the last little bit of stuff. Once we get all this out of this little open area, life will be good. This is the second floor, y'all. We don't even want to look in that closet over there because